Hey, what's up? It's Russ Rufino with Clients on Demand, and I'm super excited to tell you about this incredible new software that is saving us thousands of dollars every month and that is running our entire $100 million coaching company. It is amazing. The software is called GoHighLevel, and here's why you need it. See, for the last 10 years, we've been running our coaching company, and we've really been using about 10 to 15 different pieces of software. So we used Calendly to help people book appointments. We use Close.io to make phone calls. We used some other program to follow up with our clients using text messages. We used, ClickFunnels or Kajabi maybe to host our programs and courses, and another different thing to build sales funnels. So we were literally taking 10 to 15 different pieces of software and kind of duct taping them together. And this was taking up dozens of hours every month, just getting these different pieces of software to talk to each other. All of our data was scattered all over the place in these different programs, and it was costing us thousands of dollars a month because we had to pay for each of these pieces of software individually, and that absolutely sucked. So what we've done is we've wrapped everything up in one amazing piece of software called GoHighLevel that costs less than $100 a month. So not only is the business working way more efficiently, we're saving thousands of dollars every month because GoHighLevel replaces all those other softwares that we were using. So today we've got something really cool for you. If you click the link in the description of this video, it's our affiliate link where you can sign up for a free trial of GoHighLevel. And when you do, we're going to give you access to our proven sales funnel templates right there inside GoHighLevel. So you can use the same sales funnel strategies that we use to attract all the high paying clients that we want right there inside GoHighLevel. Now, that's not all I've got for you today. In a couple seconds, my head technician, Maxime, is going to walk you through some of the cooler features of GoHighLevel and show you how to do some really incredible stuff to take your coaching business to the next level. Max, take it away.
All right, guys, so in this video, I want to show you how to replace ManyChat using GoHighLevel. So I created this entire automation for when people comment a specific keyword on Instagram or send you a specific keyword as a DM or direct message. So when someone comments KW on any of my posts, or they send me KW on Instagram, then this automation is going to trigger and we are going to reply using AI. So based on their on what they commented, we're going to ask them to check for their inbox, and we're going to like the comment and reply with a different response every time using AI. Okay, so when they answer I want this free resource, we're gonna like the comment and we're gonna say, please check your inbox, check your DMs, something like that. That is going to change for every person. Okay. When we reply, then we send an email or a DM to the person who just contacted us using this specific keyword. So the first verification we do is to verify if the contact already has an email. If the contact doesn't has or already has an email, then we go to verifying their first name. So you can see this go to, and you can follow the path, and we have verification here as email, as first name. And the reason we do this is because on Instagram, you can have like a fake name, business coach Max, for example. And the reason we ask for their first name, and it's the same in ManyChat, because it's going to take the first part of the name you have on Instagram and put it as the first name. So we want to double confirm their first name. And if they say, no, this is not my... So if it has a first name, we ask, is that your real first name? Wait for the reply. We update the contact with the first name. We add the tag to not ask again. And then we say, cool, first name. And then we go into the lead magnet delivery, so whatever resource they asked for. So if they don't have an email, we ask them to send us their email, and it's going to automatically update in GoHighLevel. We say thanks, and then here we test if they have a first name or not. Is this your real first name? If not, we ask them for their first name once again, and then if their email is correct and if their first name is correct, then we move on to the right stage of this automation, which is delivering the value that they ask for. Okay, so the good thing as well with this automation is you always collect the name and email before you send the resource, and here at this stage you can offer whatever you want. So if you have a VSL, you can now, because you have the email, you can add them to the automation to receive the emails, to go back and watch the VSL, and then eventually book a call with you. So we just add them to the workflow so they receive the email, and then we send them, I just emailed you the free course, Maxim, and check your inbox. And then we wait a little bit, and then we can follow up with them. Might have a few recommendations or resources while you have me here. Is that cool if I ask you 2 or 3 questions to get there? Sorry. Or what you can do is you can like remove all of this, and you can say, here's the resource you asked for, just in case you didn't get the email, and just finish the automation there. Okay. So let me show you live what this looks like. And so we're gonna start by sending a DM. So the first thing I want to do actually is going to contact, and I'm going to remove this contact here. Delete. Okay. So if we go back here, so I remove the contact, so this way it doesn't have the name, the email, whatever. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send myself a keyword, so the KW, because as I told you here, it starts with KW, contains the phrase KW. Okay, so I'm just going to send KW. You can ignore all of this, it's part of another automation. And basically what it's going to do, it's going to enroll someone in this automation. So you're going to see execution log, April 22nd at 2:22, which is the time right now. And it's going to, yo, thanks for reaching out. Just drop your best email and I have my team send the course. So this is, we can see as well here the path that the contact took. So we sent a DM, and then the automation check if we have an email. In that case, we don't have an email. So we ask, okay, drop me your email and I'll send you the free course. So we're gonna do max at training, max plus training at level.com. So now I sent the email, and it's going to ask me if Max is my real first name. So thanks. There is a little bit of delay in here. Is Max your real name? I'm gonna say yes. And if I say no in here, I'll show you. So then it's going to reply, cool, Max. And then it's cool, Max. And then it's going to send me to add me to the automation using the email that I shared here. I just emailed you the free course. Check your inbox. Okay. So let's see the path that I took now. So we verified the email. So we asked for the email. Yo, thanks for reaching out. Just drop your email. We wait for the reply. We say thanks. Then if we have the first name, we verify the first name. Is Max your real name? Yes or no? And if the reply is positive, then what we do is we go straight into validating the lead email, and we say cool, Max. And then from there, we go into the lead magnet delivery. Okay. So might have a few helpful recommendations while you're here. Is that cool if I ask you 2 or 3 questions to get the right one for you? Okay. So basically it went here, and then it's waiting for a reply, actually waiting for contact to reply, and then we can add them to another automation. So here we are waiting for the contact to reply. or we could have stopped here. This is, I just emailed you the thing. We can wait for like a minute, and here's the free resource just in case you didn't get access to it, okay? So what we're gonna do now is go into the contact page, and you're going to see that the first name is Max, and the email address has been updated to Max plus training. So the one that I added in here. So automatically got updated. And this way, if you're running ads on Facebook or Instagram, you can run DM ads to a specific keyword. And now these are some of the cheapest ads to run. But now you get people's first name, people's email address, you can add them to your list, and you can follow up with them on Instagram and on email. So this is the reason why I'm using GoHighLevel to literally do everything in my business, because you have everything in one place. It removes all of the other tools like ManyChat, and you can manage all of your conversation in one place. And this way you don't have to juggle different tools together, use Zapier to connect ManyChat with GoHighLevel. Everything is managed in one place, and that simplifies your life and your business. So if you want access to this, click the link below to get the automation, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Just to remind you, in the description of this video is our affiliate link to sign up for GoHighLevel. If you sign up through our affiliate link, you will also get access to our proven sales funnel templates that are really going to take your business to the next level. They're proven to convert. They're right there. They're pre-built inside GoHighLevel. It's going to save you a ton of time. Thanks so much for tuning in, hanging out with us today. I'm Russ Ruffino with Clients on Demand, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.